In this video, we're going to learn how to easily convert a byte array into a hexadecimal string, and then how to convert that hexadecimal string back into a byte array using C#. First, let's look at our original byte array. We've created a simple array with the values 10, 20, 30, 40, and 255. As we print this array, we see our bytes clearly displayed. Next, we'll convert this byte array into a hexadecimal string. Hexadecimal strings are useful because they're easier to read, share, and store. After converting, our byte array is neatly represented as a readable hex string. Finally, let's convert this hexadecimal string back to a byte array. This process will confirm we've performed the conversion correctly. As we display this new byte array, we see it's exactly the same as our original array. This verifies that our conversion methods are working correctly. By understanding this simple conversion process, you'll find it easier to handle tasks like data encryption, communication protocols, and file operations in your own applications. And there you have it, a straightforward way to convert between byte arrays and hexadecimal strings in C#.